Today we are going to learn Java input and output, more programs and comments, typecasting. So let's begin. Java input and output. Java provides different ways to get input from the user using the object of scanner class. In order to use the object of scanner, we need to import java.util.scanner package. To create an object of scanner, we use the line scanner input equal to new scanner of system.in. To take input from the user, we write the line int number equal to input.next line. Uh, no, for string we write it input.next line. For integers, int number equal to input.next int. You will get to know by seeing programs. First, we go with simple program addition. Here is that import java.util.scanner public class addition public static void main string args int n1 n2 add subtract multiply division. This scanner scan equal to new scanner of system.in line creates an object. Next n1 equal to scan.nextInt. It takes input from the line n2 equal to scan.nextInt. Add n1, subtract, multiply, division. This we know. Here is the output. So let's run and see. Enter two numbers. It's asking for input. Let's write 4, 5, 5. Here you can see the output. Next, calculate. Import java.util.scanner public class calculate public static void main string args double the subject names total average. These are the inputs we take. This line is to create an object scanner scan equal to new scanner of system.in system.out.print line enter 5 subject marks. These are the lines to take input from the user, and here are the output lines. This is the logic total equal to adding all average sum divided by how many percentage obtain score divided by total score into 100. Next, let's run this. It's asking for in 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's enter this. Here it gave, you can see total average percentage. We go with cube. Import java.util.scanner public class cube public static void main string args scanner scan equal to new scanner of system.in int num cube system.out.println enter a number equal to scan.nextInt cube equal formula num square num cube num system.out.println cube. 6 6. Yeah, when I give 6, here you get the output 2 and 6 6 cube. Next, using if public class public static void main characters ch equal to y. If ch equal to a e I o u vowels, system dot out dot println it prints vowel, else it prints consonant. Here you see y is consonant because it's not there here. Next, we go with triangle area. Same. Import java.util.scanner public class triangle area public static void main string args scanner scan equal to new scanner of system.in double base height area system.out.println enter base. Here you can take double or float your wish. Double it's maths, so I took the out.println enter base equal to scan.next double system.out.println enter height equal to scan.next double area formula base into height by 2 system.out.println area of triangle 8 height let it be 9.4. Here also you can enter 8.0. Area of triangle that's 7.6. Simple interest. Import java.util.scanner public class simple interest public static void main string args float prt simple interest inputs scanner scan equal to new scanner of system.in system.out.println enter the principal p equal to scan.next float system.out.println enter the rate of interest or equal to scan.next float system out.println enter the number of years t equal to scan.next float simple interest equal to prt by 100 system.out.println simple interest. In the same way you can do compound interest also. 9.2 8.7 5.3. Here is the output. Next, this is what about typecasting. You all know about comments. Every language we use comments. In Java, there are two types of comments: single line comment, multi line comment. Single line comment starts and ends in the same line. To write a single line comment, we can use double forward slashes. This is what single line comment. Mm, next, we multi-line comment. When we want to write comments in multi-lines, we can use the multi-line comment to write multi-line comments like forward slash. I will show this here. Forward slash store and write anything like welcome. It may be new. Next store forward slash. This is what multi-line comment. The program prints to the standard output. Next, we go with the typecasting. In Java, typecasting is classified into two types: widening casting, narrowing casting. Widening is from low to higher order, like byte to short, short to int to float, float to double. When it comes to narrowing casting, it's explicitly done, like double to float, float to long, long to int to short, short to byte. Widening its automatic typecasting take place when the two types are compatible. The target type is larger than the source type here. Here is the example I will show you. Implicit typecasting. Public class implicit casting, static void main, string args int a equal to 100. Let's take the value as 100. Long b equal to a. No explicit typecasting required here because it's implicit casting. Float c equal to b. System.out.println in value plus b. Let's run. You'll get clear idea. Yeah. First, its value is 100, long value, float value. It's called implicit casting. Explicit casting, narrowing or explicit type conversion. When you are assigning a larger type value to a variable of smaller type, then you need to perform explicit typecasting. If we don't perform casting, then compiler reports compile time error. Narrowing. Here you can see public class explicit casting, static void main string args double d value 100 long c equal to long of d explicit typecasting int b equal to int c. See this. It finally converted to this value. This is what implicit and explicit typecasting. We missed about first. At first, I have to cover this. Here you see when the value is double, we use nest double. When it is float, we use nest float. It is boolean, nest byte, nest long, nest short. We use these in place of nest int to accept integer input. This is what input example. To accept string input, we use scan.nestline. This is all what our today's session is about.